everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RPM package in Rocky Linux. I have already installed the Rocky Linux. The previous video I have shown you how to boot the Rocky Linux in pen drive, but in this video I want to share you how to install the RPM package. So RPM package based on the Debian based not Debian based, no, Red Hat based operating systems, just like Fedora, Rocky Linux, Nobara Linux, Red Hat. It is based on the RPM package. So similarly the .dev package in the Ubuntu based operating system. So dev package, the process is the same process. .dev, it is a file installation package. It is the based on the all Linux operating system. .dev and .rpm, two package for Linux based operating system, but in the .exe for Windows and .dng for Mac OS. Just right click on here. Those software not available in software package manager, so I install the PureRef from the particular PureRef website and install, and just download and right click and install it and open it in software package manager. Just hit on the install button. It is one click installation. Put the password. It isn't very easy, not difficulty, just like Windows. Click, just open it. It is just click and open and use it and fun with Linux. But in the Windows system it is very critical. Search the software from website. But in the Linux and the Mac OS, very easy. Just open software package manager, search and install. And I want to just allow the PureRef. The PureRef, you can know if you are artist. The PureRef is a reference software, drag and drop for pictures. Just install it. So this is the video for how to install .dav and .rpm package. This process is same. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new computer tips. Bye bye and happy Linux.